count the number of significant digits in both of your operands, and the two things you're multiplying. Okay? You count the number of significant digits and the two things you're multiplying. Right there, the rule right there, the blank spot right there, if you write it in. You count the number of significant digits in both of the operands, which is both things you're multiplying. Whichever one has the least number of significant digits is how much your answer has. Whichever one has the least number of significant digits is how much your answer has. So, I'm multiplying two numbers together. 113.00 times 2.0. I'll do. Now, I don't have to multiply, I don't have to select decimal points, you know I did. I don't have to select decimal points, you know I did. How many significant digits does the top one have? 1, 2, 3, 0.00, that's a point. Why am I writing zeros over here? Because they're measured, so this is how many? 5. How many is this one? 2. So now I'm going to put in my calculator. Tap, 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 and it says 226. Now, how many significant digits is my answer allowed to be?
2.
1 is better than 5. That's a really good measurement. 1 is better than 2. What was I doing? I have no idea, but it's a bad measurement, is it not? So my answer can only be good to 2 because I put a bad measurement in there. It's only good to 2. I have to chop off the 6. Which means I have to round up. I got 2 digits. I have to keep chopping them off from the right all the way. Oh, sorry, from the right, right? Those are the more precise measurements. So I got 23, but you better not write 23 or it's wrong. You need to put a 0 back on there because it's 230, not 23. So that's my final answer. They got it? This is the easier rule. It counts in your digits. You put them in your calculator, multiply them, and you get your answer, and you're good to go. Same thing for dividing. You got it? You ready? Okay. D, E, F are waiting for you. Go, go, go. Yes. And this one right next to it, right? Those two both. So I chop off 2. No. These 2 down here are missing, right? These 2 right, this thing right here, right there is missing. So this is 5 plus 4 plus and plus 5. So both of those are not legit. Cancel both out.
Alright, then we got 54.
Did you go there? All right. Multiplication without a calculator in chemistry class. You're a god, man. You're a god. You guys are very well on a calculator.
I know. Mr. Resin,
Yes.
can you believe the Queen's dead?
I've not heard that yet, but I knew the family was gathering. So.
Queen
Elizabeth was a youngin. It's already been decided. I don't know. I imagine it's going to be Charles. He did not. But at the last, about 6 months ago, they realigned it, and I thought it was Charles, so they decided to put it in there. Now, what's interesting is, it might be for an afternoon. They may want to put it on King Charles,
I did it wrong.
and then go to William. I mean, that's a very likely possibility.
I did it wrong.
I don't know what you doing. Whoa. That's right.
It's like,
Not
it's
times.
right enough, but it's wrong.
It's like very like.
I mean, you're only like
That's not a
40 something off.
That's not like what I thought.
Why don't you just do what you got?
Why didn't you
I was just doing it computer correctly. I did it wrong.
I I don't want to do division. I hate division.
Okay,
I don't know where I
this
messed
is
up.
6 times 9, right?
That's a 4.
4, okay. So 4 times 6 is 24, so you should be a 4 sitting here.
Oh my, that's where I messed up. Yeah. Yep.
I
Okay.
don't know
How
after
do you
that.
align the decimal?
Well, again, this is not a math class, so if you want to just whip out your calculator and just take control of the thing and put it in there, the only thing you have to worry about is significant digits, right? So you don't have to line up the decimal pointer either.
I messed that up like big time, didn't I?
Okay, so let's what are the two numbers? 8,
26.
54. So if I want to do this by hand, I would go 4 times 6 is 24. Carry the 2. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 2 is 10. 1. 4 times 8 is 16, 32. Plus 1 is 33. 0. Okay, put a placeholder down. 5 times 6 is 30. Put a 3 here. 5 times 2 is 13. Carry the 1.
45.
40, 41.
Oh, yeah. I was thinking of 9.
Okay, so I'm guessing that's what your calculator would say.
That, well, that's what
Okay. And then after that, now this is good. How many digits?
2,
Top one's good to
3,
3. Bottom one's good to 2. So my answer's only good to 2. So I only get to keep the 4, 4, but that's a 6. So I'm going to round it up. So this is 4, 5, 0, 0, 0. Famous fun facts. Run this by your math teacher, they'll love it. What's 12 times 1?
Oh yeah, definitely. That's what it says.
No, it's not. 12 times 1 would look like 12. We only got 1 significant, 2 significant, so I'm going to keep 1, so that'd be 10. Obviously, 1 times 12 is 10. Where did you guys learn 1 times 12 is 12? What a sick world you live in. What? That's so wrong, Mr. Resney. Yeah, it is.
Isn't chemistry like all about being precise? And then
It's about having science.
I have no idea what
this
I'm
is
doing.
like not precise.
Well, the deal is, if I only measure this to like 1 meter,
It's not precise.
Oh,
it's not precise enough for me to be sure that I have 12 whatever is when I'm done. If I see this is 1 meter and this is 12 meters this way, it'd be a stretch to say for sure 12 meters. If a 1 meter could be off by like 1 whole digit, which would be like from 0 to 2. It's not a very good measurement if you think about it fundamentally. So the number is probably not going to be exactly 12. Yes?
For
Yeah.
For what? For?
Wait, it's,
I forget my
if it's you have to round up for 9, do you get like 10? But
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. Is that awful? Yes. The units, you should probably write it down. Kilograms per liter. Well, we can write it down for the first one, right? You know that. You should write it down. kgs over L. So you go ahead and write L's, right?
I don't think so. They're like just a place.
What did you get for
I am. Okay, so you only get the first 3 digits. That's a 5, right? Yeah. I'm gonna chop up the 5 so that you make it round up to each 2 digits. That's meters times meters is 102 meters squared.
What do you get rid of this?
Yeah. It's only good to 3, guys. It's only good to 3.
This one says when I ran it.
Goddamn, bro.
Let's hope that's the same as, yes, what, yes. Or you can write it down, how many digits do you have? You have 3, I'd write 3.60 times 10 to the negative 1. Right, because you keep first 3 digits, you have to round up. Unfortunately, that has to round up the next one.
Yeah.
So that's 3.60.
She literally died like. 15 minutes ago.
No way, bro.
I got the notification.
You got a notification, the queen died.
She's dead.
You're in a very
Oh,
strange.
Oh my god, she died!
Now, let's point 260. It's never true.
96.
No, she was
Say
literally helping carry bodies during the World War II. So she's kind of old.
Wait, what was she?
Probably 1920.
So I would say probably right around the start of World War One. What? Imagine living through
No, you
World
did not say that.
She did. She was 1920, so she lived through World War II.
I was kidding. That's what did right at the end you said.
No, that's what did
You subtract 96 from 120, whatever it is, 22 right now.
kind of up.
I don't think so.
Dawson's in agreement.
Yeah.
I said how Dawson's like.
It's all the kids in Europe.
Don't count yourself.